How to change emergency contacts on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can change emergency contacts on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to change your emergency contacts on iPhone, it is actually quite simple to do so, but for this you have to make sure that you've added an emergency contact, and after that open the health application. After you launch the health app, you're going to see this interface where you have to tap the profile icon located at the top right hand side of the screen. From here onwards, you want to simply go to the option called medical ID and make sure to tap on it. And when you go to medical ID and scroll down, you should be able to find a list of emergency contacts. So if you find those contacts here, you can just go ahead and select those. You can also choose to remove and then add other emergency contacts if you'd like to. This way you can go ahead and then basically actually change emergency contacts on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.